My name is Omer.
And my name is Mirgani. And we're going to be presenting to you a little bit of what we've been learning about this week, which is smart dams, which is most absolutely what is the need of the future. We're going to be talking through with you what are dams, how they work, the types of dams, and the pros and cons of it. Then we're going to show you our solution of it. I'm going to be telling you about what are dams. Dams are vital for water management, offering a steady supply for irrigation, domestic and industrial uses, while also generating renewable energy through hydroelectric power. They play a key role in flood control by regulating river flow and often serve as a recreational spots for activities like boats and fishing.
Why do we build dams? Dams are built to collect and store water from rivers. Dams offer vital benefits, including water supply, hydroelectric power, flood control, and irrigation, supporting communities and ecosystems by harnessing water resources.
How dams work. Dams serve numerous functions by retaining water to form a reservoir. This stored water can be utilized for a wide range of purposes, including water supply, irrigation, flood management, recreation, and environmental protection, and the generation of hydroelectric power.
Types of dams. The three main types of dams are earth-fill dams, embankment dams, and rock-fill dams.
Let's tell you the pros and cons of our dams.
Dams can produce clean and renewable energy.
They help preventing flooding by controlling river flow. These are the cons. Dams can damage ecosystems and hurt fish and wildlife.
People living nearby may be forced to leave their homes.
This is our project solution, our own pure water dam. And let me talk you a little through it. When the alert signal is green, that means water flow is good and it's not overflowing. But then, what Omar will show now, using a sensor, if it senses water, the gate opens to send it to the mainstream to keep it from overflowing. And the signal, it creates a buzzer and it turns red to signify it. We've done this by using motors, sensors, and we've used the microbit smart home kit to help us with our model. Now you're gonna have a little more close look at it.
This is the moisture sensor. And that's to explain what it does.
So actually, the moisture sensor is measuring the level,
It senses
and when
the
the
water.
level goes above a certain point, what will happen? The alert is given and the gate is opened. Okay. Which type of controller you are using here?
A microbit controller.
So it's a microbit controller that is used, and which type of motor you are using here?
Servo motor.
And this structure which you made, this is made by you, or you copied it from somewhere?
We use inspiration to help us turn the servo motor to a 90-degree angle to raise the gate.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.